Good day everyone, this is Haring Pukyutan again, and I'm here in our yard. We just have removed the third box here, 2 weeks ago with my wife after our holiday, because there's not much honey on it, so we decided to split this one. So we are here now. I am here now actually to split, and I haven't had the chance to post some of my old videos, because as we have mentioned that we will do some of the queen rearing part of the operation. So I am here now to do some splits, and yeah, we've been busy with other commitments, especially my main job as a carer, and I'm proud to be a carer. And of course with the school holidays, and we have had our holiday, and we've been busy as well with the cutting of the grass in the paddock for winter feed. And yeah, so I'm quite have time already to do the videos and share it with you. So if you want to see more videos, just don't forget to subscribe, comment, like if you want, and of course feel free to share it to your friends and families. And of course those trainees way back home or would-be beekeepers, and if they want to watch more, then feel free. So anyway, there's lots of things to do, so have a good day and cheers. Hi, good morning guys, this is Haring Pukyutan at your service. While break from pollination anyway, we have to do the queen rearing as well. So in between, today is Saturday, so we have to do the queen rearing. So I'll just quickly show you. This is our cell builder. Anyway, we have to remove the cell bar over there. I put the poly patty there. So I already prepared or identified a brood, a 12 to 24 hour larvae for my son to graft today. So I leave that to him. He's more capable of doing that, trained by his mom anyway. I will just prepare the gears, and they will be the one to deliver. So you can see this is the cell bar that we put yesterday. It will be clean for at least overnight, and you see the bees are clinging in there, so it's pretty much clean. Alright, all good. There you go. Look, grafting second time. The first trial yesterday went very good. Out of 64, we got 57 cells made. So well done, Paulo. Keep it up. Okay, pretty much the cell bars, the 2 cell bars are already inside the cell builder. I did not really show it to you because it needs to be done quickly, and it will be closed right away. So in doing this activity, you might want to consider as well, because what we are doing now is we have a new gears, new hive tool, new smoker. This is solely intended for this operation, on this queen rearing aspect of the operation. So we don't want that this one will be contaminated from inspecting from other yard. Who knows, we might encounter any disease in there, and then it will be transferred here. So these gears will just be in this one. So that's the situation there. And I would like to thank my son Paulo, and of course, yeah, pretty much he is capable now. He's trained by his mom anyway, and yeah, I'm quite happy with this day activity. And by the way, if you are wondering what is haring kukyutan, that's translation of a king bee. I am not the king; it is the bee who is being the king here. Okay, so haring kukyutan signing off, and service begins. Cheers.